Hi guys, just demonstrating what a pallet is and how we actually calculate a pallet. So here it is. It's usually 35 boxes. I shall give the dimensions, but I'll actually show this for its working behavior. So as you can see, we're stacking 7 cartons on a pallet. Built like a brick, so no items get damaged. So now you got 7, 14, 21. 28, and it should end up with 35. So 14, 21, 28, 35, and that's what we call a pallet. So as you can see, there's a massive saving for pallets because it works out virtually 50 pence each per item. So really do strongly recommend, if you do have the opportunity, to use a freight forwarder using the pallet construction. It's nice, it's safe, it's secure, it's easy to build, and really do recommend. And as you can see how the guys just quickly build it up without any problems. You get 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 pallets, 25 boxes, sorry, 35 boxes on one pallet, and created nicely. Thank you guys, I hope you understand that. A nice lovely cubic box which fits into the container without any problems, with less damages, just like a brickwork as you would expect to have it. Thank you, bye. Thank you from Snazal. Is there anything else you need? Just do contact us, visit our website on www.snazal.com.